Valutrades.
Hey, value traders. With anything we do in life, sometimes it's important to step back and revisit the basics. Trading Forex and CFDs is no exception, so even if you are an experienced trader, this is a great time to review the principles of support and resistance. Anytime someone asks you what is the most important indicator on your charts, the answer should be the horizontal line. Here's why. Let's start with a daily chart on your favorite symbol. Here you can find the horizontal line on MT4 on the Line Studies toolbar. Simply click on this and move your cursor to the highest point of price action, click and drop it there. To change the properties of the horizontal line, double-click on it and you will see small boxes on either end. Right-click and select Horizontal Line Properties. You may now change the color and the thickness. Now create another horizontal line and find the lowest point of price action. The upper line is what we call resistance and is the highest point at which the market is willing to buy an instrument. The lower line is what we call support, the lowest point at which the market is willing to sell an instrument. Now, start plotting more lines where you see other points of support and resistance. You will note that sometimes levels of resistance were older levels of support and vice versa. These are called key levels. A good rule is never to sell too close to a line of support because price action could bounce and your position will be stopped out. The same can be said of buying too close to a line of resistance. Good traders will be patient and either wait for the bounce or wait for a break of support or resistance and close the position at the next level. Now change the time frame to 4-hour and lower time frames and you may plot more horizontal lines. Even if you trade on lower time frames, you will need to pay serious attention to support and resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.